Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make the first project in the March 2022 Beyond the Horizon Paper Pumpkin Kit. So we need this card base here. We need these die cuts plus the greeting die cut and a little note stamp with our Misty Moonlight block. We're going to need our adhesives and our multifaceted gems, and there are actually two sizes of these. There is a larger size and a smaller size. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is we need to take this one. So I'm just going to move this out of the way for now. We need this one, and we need our grass or fern or bulrushes, whatever you want to call it, and we need this one. And we need to put adhesive dots, 2 here, 2 here, and 3 on here. So let's get our adhesive dots going here. And we need to put one like that, one like that. And then they call for making sure I've got this the right way up, and I do, and they're calling for one over here and one over here. Okay, and then on the plants, we need to put one up here and one over here, and then one down towards the bottom here. Okay, whoops, that didn't work. Come on up. Oh, and I did leave the dot behind, so we'll just do that. Okay, so now I need to take my card base and I need to layer these up. So I'm just going to have another look. It looks like these go down first. So let's take the backings off these ones. And just peel that backing off. And this one, and that's already off there. So we are going to put this not all the way at the bottom and not all the way at the side, but just about there, like that. Okay. And then we take this piece here and we peel the backing off of this and we put it just across the blue, kind of in line with this yellow here. Let's just make sure that I've got that done straight. Okay, there we go. And then we take this beautiful piece here and we take the backing off and we pop it over top. And it is actually going to come down here like this. Okay. Now we need to stamp our greeting. It tells us to use our Stampin' Spot, ink up our stamp, stamp the greeting, and then we dimensionalize the greeting. So let's just pop that over there. Let's bring this down like this. I'm putting this on the red piece of my grid paper so that you can see what I'm doing, because otherwise it'll just kind of get lost in the white. So I'm just gonna make sure that's inked up really well. Put the lid back on, and I'm going to line this up in the middle and drop it down. I love the photopolymer stamps because you can see right through them. You know exactly where you're putting your ink down. So I'm going to now put, it calls for 3 dimensionals on the back. So we're going to put one there, and one there, and one there. Okay, and we're just going to reposition that one a little bit. I'm just going to squish it back in. So there we go. We've got our dimensionals, and we are going to pop this. Oh, and see, you can still see that one just a little bit. So I'm just going to make sure it rolls down. There we go. We are going to put this offset like this, just like that. So there we go. And we need to put our adhesive rinds or adhesive gems on. And where do we put them? It looks like we put one here and one here, and then maybe 2 down there. So, okay. So we put one up here off to the side and one actually on here like this. And then we take the little ones and we pop one over here like this. And we put one down here like that. So there we go. There is our first project in the March 22 Beyond the Horizon kit made. So stay tuned for the second project.